Unboxing the Huawei Pura X Max feels like opening a true flagship experience. From its premium design to a stunning display and powerful camera, this phone makes a strong first impression right out of the box. But is it just about looks, or does it really deliver performance? Let's take a closer look. Welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. Hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Now introducing Huawei Pura X Max unboxing and hands-on review. This isn't just another smartphone. This is Huawei's boldest design and camera innovation yet. Before we even open the box, expectations are already sky-high. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Unboxing the Huawei Pura X Max feels premium right from the start. The box comes with a minimal yet elegant design, reflecting Huawei's flagship identity. As you lift the lid, the smartphone is placed neatly on top, wrapped in a protective film that gives a satisfying first reveal. Inside the box, everything is well organized. The moment you power on the Huawei Pura X Max, the display instantly stands out. It features a large, bright, and vibrant screen with ultra-slim bezels, giving it a modern and immersive look. Colors appear rich and accurate, while the smooth refresh rate makes scrolling and animations feel fluid. Whether you're watching videos, browsing social media, or gaming, the display delivers a premium viewing experience. The front glass adds a glossy finish, making the phone look even more stylish and premium when viewed from different angles. The camera setup on the Huawei Pura X Max is designed to impress. Even during the first use, it captures sharp, detailed, and well-balanced photos. Images come out with strong clarity and natural colors. The camera performs well in both bright and low-light conditions. Zoom capabilities allow you to capture distant subjects clearly. The camera app is fast and easy to use, making it simple to switch between modes and capture professional-looking shots. It's clear that Huawei has focused heavily on delivering a top-tier photography experience. The Huawei Pura X Max offers a premium unboxing experience, a stunning display, and a powerful camera system right from the first use. It sets a strong first impression and feels like a true flagship device built for modern users. Approximately price of low variation is $1,600. So guys, this is fresh information about new Huawei Pura X Max. I hope you like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Thanks for watching.